This is Doc with the KTM forum. This is my 2017 KTM Super Duke GT. Originally posted a video with the Boss exhaust. It now has about 8,500 miles on it. There's been some discussion about the noise created with decatting on this bike. I went ahead and removed the SAS system, installed the O2 sensors from Rottweiler, and added the Botus pipe after the decat and kept the Boss exhaust. In my opinion, it is a very dramatic change in the bike. One of the concerns is the sound that's created, or the noise. So I'm going to start it up. You see somewhere around anywhere from 88 to 92 decibels. It's about a 2 decibel increase from the norm at idle. The biggest difference you're going to notice is the sound that it makes when you accelerate. This is the Lamb seat, if anybody's interested. It's an aftermarket item that can be purchased from Seth Lamb out in Redding, California. With acceleration, the noise created is about 100 decibels. It is an increase in sound, especially when riding. Do recommend the decat. It does dramatically decrease the amount of heat generated by the cat box, and I feel the overall bike performance is much better. Again, this is Doc from the K1600 forum. You can see my previous video on the Botus exhaust or the KTM to compare the sound.